Guys, we're here at the Treehouse Plus rooms. Eating nature. We have a hanging bridge there. Look at that. Yes. So we were looking for coffee, and then because I'm so sleepy, and then we dropped here. No, it's our first time to be here. Coffee plus rooms daw. Ganon. Um, Comment is ang tagal ng coffee. Gosh. Oh, oh. Ang tagal ng coffee, so yeah. But the vibe is, nature is check. No, Nicole, no? Yes.
Vlog ba yun?
Vlog yan. Back to our vlogger days, man.